How to use TikTok on your phone for beginners. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, once you've created your account, you will end up on the home feed. So here in the home feed, you can like videos and you can follow people as well. And then you also have the discover. So you can see like different hashtags and stuff like that. You can also search for people at the top. The middle button is to create your own TikToks. So if you click on there, it should look like this. And the fourth one is the inbox. Here you can see your notifications and such. And the last one is your profile. So here you can also add your profile. You can add a photo and a bio. You can change your name and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. And like I said, on the home, you can just go over here, like some posts, for example, follow this person and yeah, stuff like that. So now to actually create your own TikTok, you want to click on the plus icon in the middle, and here you can record something you want. So yeah, then you can post that. But if you click on discard, you can also see here at the like above where you can record, you can see 15, 60 and 3 minutes. So this determines on like how long you wanna record. So yeah, I always kind of recommend using 3 minutes. And yeah, because let's say you want to record something and you like end up having too short time for 60 seconds, then yeah, you gotta redo everything. So I recommend just going for 3 minutes. And if you're like done earlier, then that's fine as well, So yeah, on the left you can use effects, and you can see the trending effects, also new effects and green screen effects. You can also save effects over here. What else you got? You have like these templates at the bottom or on the right. Yeah. You can also change the speed, add more filters, enhance your face, set a timer. You can just do whatever you want. And like once you've created a cool TikTok and you're fine with it, you can click on the check mark here, and here you can add even more stuff here. So you can add sounds over here, as you can see. You can add these sounds. You can add more effects. You can add text. And which is pretty cool is that you can also add text to speech. So you can click on there. So now you can hear the text. You can add stickers, like whatever you want, and even do a voiceover, voice effects. And once you're like happy with this, you can click on next, describe your video, and yeah, you can just post it if you want, like at the bottom, or save it as a draft, by the way, if you like that too. Then you can edit it later on. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.